This video will be a review of Euasoo Note 10 Plus case. Okay, so just purchased a new Note 10 phone and needed a case for it. This one had pretty good reviews on Amazon, so I thought I'd take a chance on it. So let's unbox it and take a look at it. Okay, so it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 30 to 90 days replacement if it fails, and 30 or 90 days to 12 months if you register it with their site. So, not much here. I thought it came with a screen protector, but it does not. So no screen protector, it's just a basic phone case. Just pop it in there. That fits the phone fine. Buttons. See how the buttons work. Buttons seem to work just fine. Looks like an okay deal. My biggest issue with it is there's no screen case for it, or I'm sorry, there's no screen cover for it. So I guess I'll have to order that and get that taken care of. It's a hard plastic. It fits well, and I know some of the cases they complain about the fit. Okay, so there's the fitment of the cover. And access to this is good. So one of the tests will be to see if it allows for wireless charging or not. So got this wireless station and just slap it on there. And yeah, it does allow for wireless charging. So I know with some cases that's an issue when they get too thick of a back. So yeah, it does allow for wireless charging. So looks like a good product, and it's definitely inexpensive. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. 30-day warranty, money back.